car coming. I don't like it when cars are coming. Motor Noob. Good afternoon and welcome back to the Motor Noob USA. Today we are going to be testing out a new look camera. A chin mounted, so to speak. That'd be that little bugger right there. It's a GoPro Hero 11 Mini. Brand new, fresh out of the box. Of course, we got the 9 over here, and the Ceremonic, which is my wireless voice transmitter that goes to the 9. This particular camera is to replace that camera, which is an Picasso Brave 4, which I used to mount up here. And the reason I mounted it up there is because the stabilization on it just sucks. It is not good at all. In fact, it's not even worth having stabilization on. Looks better with it off, I think. Anyway, so I mounted it up here so that instead of swinging around on the chin, it would just pivot on the top in a perfect world. So I'll still be using this camera for certain things, but it is getting replaced by that, which is going to be there, which is going to be much better. But the most important reason to test drive this thing today is because all the snow and ice is melted. It's warm enough to ride, and it is a very good excuse to go for a ride. Let's do this. Been a few days. I hope I didn't forget how to do this. Car coming. I don't like it when cars are coming. So yeah, most of the ice and stuff is melted. You still have to be wary of leaves and such. And people in their cars and such, and so yeah, the leaves might still be a little bit wet. You still see some snow over there. Hopefully my look camera's doing pretty good. See a little bit better over here. Okay. First of all, it's just nice to get out and get on a ride, even if I'm not going to exit the neighborhood. Well, the neighborhood is dry and clean for the most part. Out on the roads, they have gravel that they laid down that is a motorcycle killer. So we're going to skip that part. Just kind of hang out in the neighborhood here. Don't know how long I'm going to ride. Just, like I said, I want to get some footage. There's a little squirrel. Hopefully I saw that in my view. Last time I came through here, this house over here had blow up Halloween stuff going on. So yeah, it is just after Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving was 2 days ago. So everybody's starting to do their Christmas decorations. I don't think I'll be doing a Christmas celebration. Lights right here. What's this old lady doing? So I gotta stay away from this garbage on the side right here. It could be slick. One more time around the neighborhood and we'll be good. So we've been at it for 9 minutes, 49 seconds. Let's see how the battery does. So yeah, after this round, we're gonna go back home. 12 minutes. 11 seconds here. home and see just how much battery it used. I'm assuming it'll be right around 15 when I get home. See how much battery it used. There's that squirrel again. Busy little bee. Yeah. Let's see how well it's going to do at 4K 60. Okay, we are back, and in fact it is a few days later. I have since received what we call a pass-through door and a remote, and also a snazzy little flask here that I can use to carry coffee on the motorcycle, or whatever I want, water, coffee, whatever is my desire for the day. The other purpose that flask serves is that it put me over $100, which got me free shipping. So, anyway, back to the story here. When I pulled into the garage, the Mini here had 69% of its battery remaining. So that I used roughly 31%, and what I believe to be like 22 minutes of it being powered up. 5 of that 22 minutes was to set the look angle on the helmet. And 17 was actually riding and recording, which you just seen some of. So this here, of course, is a remote. If you don't recognize it, it will eventually be on the left side of my handlebars, where I can use my thumb to turn the camera on and off. And when I press that button, it will not only turn the camera on, but also simultaneously start the recording. And when I hit it again, it'll turn the camera off and stop recording, which is a good deal. So with that, I will end this video with a side-by-side comparison of the 9 and the 11 Mini. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Toodles. Here we go. Here we go. Does anybody know a guy named Joe? Go. Does anybody know a guy named Joe? In a few days, I hope I didn't forget how to do this.